We have hacked and interrupted your daily programming and your system to inform you about this information. We are a human organization called the Chaos Control Corporation. There is a zombified drone in the colony. Repeat, there is a zombified drone in the colony. We have retrieved this footage about the zombified drone before it entered the colony.
Please, don't hurt me!
The footage will be replayed to give you better information.
Please, don't hurt me!
There was only one survivor. Here's how you can identify the infected drone. The tail is identified to have eyes and mouth that has sharp teeth. Furthermore, the wings seems to have built-in hands. It also looks like it has strained powers. We have advised you to stay indoors and wait for further instructions. If you have access to any weapons when going outside of your room, keep it on you at all times. If you see someone that looks similar to the description, do not trust them, as it could be the infected zombified drone. The drone is also identified to be a worker drone, controlled by a virus. We have called this virus SCP-SDFA B4217 or Chaos Entity 500. It's also known to be called the Absolute Solver. For anyone are not aware of our allies, we are allies from different top-secret organizations, from the human government. These organizations include the SCP Foundation, United Nations, Global Occult Coalition, and NATO. They will be approaching on Copper 9. With soldiers armed with weapons and special armor, they will arrive within 3 months. Allow them to enter your house or room, as it may ensure your safety of you and your family. Do not try to resist, as the consequences are deadly. Thank you for your cooperation. There will be more further communication soon.
Secure, contain, protect.